You indicated to this court that that email is dated 10th of April. I want you to go through that email and point to the court where that date is on that email. Just take your time.
The date doesn't appear, but...
That's okay, you have answered my question.
Absolutely.
The date does not appear on that particular email.
Correct.
You also indicated that that email came from someone by the same Tony.
Tony Sanghani, yes.
Tony Sanghani.
Yes.
I want you to go through that document and show this court where it indicates or where the list is listed the email from which that message came from, on the way the normal message emails are. Do you have an email for Tony Sanghani on that message?
With due respect,
do we have an email for Tony Sanghani?
I printed this document.
I want you to answer my question. Do we have an email address for Tony Sanghani on that particular?
There is no email address, but it shows
no,
it's
you have
come from
answered
Tony
my question.
Sanghani. Yes.
There is no email. Give back the exhibit. So in your evidence, as you are testifying, you have indicated that you received the instructions on 10th of April.
Or thereabouts. Let me put it that
We
way.
want to go to what you have told the court.
And I say or thereabouts.
So I want to refer you to exhibit number 3, Mr. Brian. Exhibit number 3. Read the first paragraph.
Which document is that?
Is the letter
Document
dated
letter.
16th of April. The letter dated 16th of April. Exhibit number 3.
I did what?
Read paragraph number 1.
We act for Tony Sanghani, pursuant to his instructions to us via this email transmission dated 15th April 2024. Attached.
That's good.
Yes.
An email dated
15th April.
15th of April.
Yes.
Instructions on 15th of May, right?
Written instructions, but I told the court.
Mr. Brian,
Yes.
I want us to be very specific. I have referred you to exhibit number 3. Read the first paragraph.
I've seen 15th April 2024.
15th of April.
Yes.
After the threats were issued, right?
Alleged threats.
Were issued.
Yes.
Good. And I want to refer you still to your document, the same document. Read paragraph 4 of the same exhibit. Exhibit number 3, paragraph 4.
1, 2, 3, 4. We await your substantive response, or we await your substantive response with trepidation to avoid the threatened actions herein, which will definitely ensue in the event of your belligerence or supine attitude.
Let's show you the paragraph that I want you to read.
Whilst cognizant of your email transmissions...
That's paragraph number
4.
Yes.
Whilst cognizant of your email transmissions to our client dated 14th April 2022, we do not wish to be drawn in extraneous issues, parring the core issues herein, which is a debt simpliciter, duly acknowledged by yourself, and the allegations of threats to yourself are preposterous.
Reach that point. Repeat that statement.
The allegations of threats to yourself are preposterous, juvenile, and we take a dim view of the same.
Good. So you confirm in your document that the complainant in this case had raised an issue to do with threats, right?
I'm not alluding to any complaints. I have the basis.
Read that statement again, Mr.
I have read it. I'm the author of this letter.
I am saying you read again.
Whilst cognizant of your email transmissions to our client dated 14th April 2022, we do not wish to be drawn in extraneous issues, parring the core issues herein, which is a debt simpliciter, duly acknowledged by yourself, and the allegations of threats to yourself are preposterous.
Up to that point. So the complainant had raised issues to do with threats, as you have read in that, the allegations of threats.
Can I answer that question? Your Honor, there is a...
Okay, my question is, are you referring to anything to do with allegations
I'm
of
referring
threats?
to the email which I have my lawyers marked by Tony Sanghani.
We will go there,
Yes.
Mr. Brian.
Yes.
I'm asking about that.
I understand
particular
English and I know what you're asking me.
You will be respectful. So read that particular statement of allegations.
I have read the statement.
read it, Mr. Brian.
Proceed. It has been read the third time, prosecution.
Most of it, Your Honor.
Proceed. Let's move
All
on.
right. I will refer you to the said email you're talking about. Your Honor, I want to refer the witness to exhibit number, PMFI number 6. The defense marked for identification number 6. Read that email.
Your Honor, this is an email from Mr. Rajendra Sanghani to Mr. Tony Sanghani.
Is dated
14 April 2022, Your Honor.
14th of April 2022.
The same date I'm referring to.
The last part of the email. Where he said the communication, any communications to be effected through?
By a copy, we are informing the same to them and the authorities concerned. Okay, Mr. Rajendra Sanghani should have any, you have any legitimate claims, please forward them to my lawyers, Hidam Cargo and Company Advocates, who is fully aware and orders to deal with the subject matter.
All right. So confirm that on that email dated 14th of April 2022, the one that you have marked for identification as DMFI number 6, the said complainant, Mr. Raju, is complaining to the brother about being threatened. As per that email.
Do you want me to confirm? That letter is self-explanatory. I'm not the author thereof.
I'm saying that you confirm whatever the content you have done.
I have read. I cannot confirm.
Can the witness be directed to answer questions and to stop being rude?
Let's proceed.
So confirm that in that email, Mr. Raju is complaining to the brother about being threatened.
Your Honor, I reiterate the contents of that letter as read.
Okay, read paragraph 1.
Paragraph 1. Because I've been receiving some serious abuses, threats, and false allegations from myself.
That's all.
Yeah.
Give back the document. You have also indicated that you have told this court that Mr. Raju gave back your 30,000 as a form of, let me just get the exact word you have used. As trying to convince you not to pursue the matter, right?
Of course, yes.
I want to refer you to your statement, exhibit number 4, Your Honor. The recorded statement at the police. Go to page number 4.
Can I have a copy of that statement?
Go to page number 4.
I have a copy. Page number?
Page number 4, paragraph 3.
4.
Page number 4, paragraph 3.
Raju also sent me that 30,000. He asked me to give.
Let her show you where I want you to read. So which
At
paragraph?
12
That is paragraph number.
At 12:08,
That is
paragraph 4,
number.
paragraph 4.
Read it.
At 12:08, I requested him, Raju, send me the 30K you asked me to give you at night in Parklands. I need help somebody who is sick.
Good. So, as per that paragraph, who requested for the money?
I demanded back my money.
You demanded back your
Yes.
money.
Yeah.
So, when you say that he gave you the money, let her guide you. Page 8.
This is my copy. On 16th April 2024, pursuant to letter email transmission from Tony Sanghani to myself, Yongo Brian, where he instructed me to chase up Rajendra Sanghani for the money owed to him in the sum of £1 million.
All right, up to that point. So the instructions from the said Tony were to pursue debts.
Of course, yes.
You have also confirmed to this court You have told this court that the data from your phone that was retrieved from your phone was edited. Right?
I repeat that, yes.
Have you provided any evidence to showcase that it was edited?
I have narrated that in my
I have
documents.
asked whether you have provided any
Yes,
evidence.
I have.
You have provided any evidence?
Yes.
Can you show that evidence to court?
It is in my statements, and the documents are filed in this.
All right.
matter.
Have you provided any forensic data examination before this court?
I have in cross-examination.
Answer my question.
I have not.
Brian.
I have not subjected any forensic.
Good.
Yes.
You still have your phone, right?
Yes, I have my phone.
Have you provided any printout in a cyber to showcase the real conversation that you are having on that day? Have you presented any
I have not
printouts?
presented. I have not presented.
You haven't?
Yes.
Good. You have also talked of a photo that Mr. Raju sent you, right?
Yes.
Confirm that the same as you have narrated was played here before court, right?
The recordings were played. Yes.
Not the recording. I'm talking about the chat with the photo.
Yes. Yes.
And the court had an opportunity of looking at the same.
Yes.
Right?
Yes.
Good. Okay, you have said that as per the recordings which were played in this court, according to you, you did not pursue any form of threat in the recordings.
I did not do what?
You did not pursue any form of threats in the recording.
Of course, I did not.
You cannot interpret them as a threat.
Of course not.
Okay.
And that's a matter of grammar.
So let me ask you this question. And, I wish we could have played the audios, but because of time. To you, when I tell you in a confrontation that I know people who knows how to shoot, is that defamatory?
I was
My question is very specific.
Pardon me?
My question is very specific. Eh?
Yes.
My words,
Uh-huh.
as I have just said them, as quoted in the recordings that were played, I know people who knows how to shoot. By any chance, is that a defamation?
That can be contextualized in literature. It could be, if you ask that question in vacuo, I don't know how to answer you. If you ask me the purported words in the context as per the charge sheet, then my answer is I was reacting to somebody who sent me images of a gunshot and bullets.
All right, you have answered what you want. Eh? Now I want
Not what I want.
I want you to answer my question.
Yes.
Are those words defamatory?
I don't know.
You don't know?
I don't know.
All right.
Yes.
And also we had in those audios saying that, okay, I will not quote word per word because we don't have the benefit of the audio, but telling the complainant that leave alone the way he's saying that he had been shot. And you telling him that this time round, he will not, I don't know whether you can allow us to get another date so I can play those audios. I would want to have the benefit of replaying the words captured in those audio to avoid.
I thought it was replayed. Why don't you proceed with cross-exam? I look at it.
I'm avoiding to paraphrase the wrong word to avoid causing an injustice to either side.
You can omit that question. If we are able to progress, it is better for us so that we save a little bit of time.
All right.
Proceed.
So when you're telling them just to paraphrase that that particular time he will not escape and no one will save him. So is that also defamation?
I don't know what you're talking about because what you're talking about is a very skewed interpretation.
You have answered the question. That's what I was avoiding because I really wanted to play the audios. I want the words to be heard.
We haven't had many matters today. I thought we will use this time to clear some of these cases. This is the second case we are handling. Proceed, prosecution.
Most question. You have indicated that when you tried to pursue assistance from the highest rank of the police, you told that the matter had been taken over by Amin personally.
Yes.
Have you presented any document evidence, any chat conversation of such nature, or are you intending to bring a witness to confirm what you have just said?
My friend, I'm a public figure.
Answer my question.
My answer is...
Mr. Brian.
So what are you asking? I have not produced any evidence.
You being a public figure is not in trial, right?
Yes. So what are you asking me?
I have asked you, you have indicated that you tried to pursue, and you are told that Mr. Amin indicated that he had taken personal conduct of the matter.
I don't want to drop names like Raju, but this matter was at the highest level of this country. And I
have a specific question.
Yeah, but you're asking me. You're asking me.
I have asked you.
Yes.
My question is this.
Yes.
Have you presented any form of evidence?
Yes.
Or are you intending to call a witness to confirm what you have just said?
What is there to confirm? I have told you.
About the matter being.
Bond is a constitutional right. A threat, something which is under investigation.
Okay, when you finish answering your question, you will answer mine.
I have not produced that evidence.
Good.